So, hi people again. Today we are gonna try to make another animatronic. You see, I ordered some more servos. I have quite a bunch of them, and I'm also going to use the good trash. I found some very good trash. Yeah, in the garbage from the people who cough and yeah. It is maybe it will be better if I clean it first because it's kind of dirty. Yeah, it's a very dirty trash. And yeah, oh, yeah, it is kinda very dirty, and it has suffered quite from the way it was in the garbage. So yeah, it is the same sort of rubber, and yeah, same sort of rubber. So maybe I can put a bunch of servos to make this arm move again, and we will see how it works. The problem with that sort of rubber is it keeps the dirt on it. I don't know if I can wash it. Yeah, it is very dirty, but it will be a very good animatronic. Of course, I'm not gonna use all these servos. Maybe just a bunch of them. Uh, I was wondering maybe to power them up from a battery, an external battery, but I'm gonna be lazy and maybe I will just use the, the regular power. Yeah, I hear the people. So this is the first servo. I put it inside the end. I had to remove some of the rubber. I don't know what to do with the fingers because there is not this much place to put servos in it. At this time, I'm just trying to center the servo with the antennae. You see, I put glue on it because it is a very much fragile part. You can easily break the antennae of the people. People they open the window. This is strange because most of the time it is closed and I could just get out, I think. But this is quite high, too high for me. No. Okay, so basically I'm just doing the first servo and then I will go further with the second one in the arm. I think I'm going to use 3 of them, so it will rotate in this axis and the others will rotate in one here, yeah, in the other axis. As I'm working forward, I consider that the servos are way more bigger than the arm. So I think I will try to fill the gaps with maybe, let's say, some sponge, because I love sponge very much. You see? With pieces of sponge to give it some more to fill the void. Yeah, there is a big void, so we fill the void. And then I have to make, let's call this sewing the skin. Yeah. So we will see. It will be ugly, but it's maybe it's just a try. I'm not sure of the functionality of this servo. Maybe it will be useless, but always better to put more than less. Yeah. Sometimes things they don't go as they are planned, and you know this because it is the way life is. So finally, I succeeded in sewing the three servos in the arm, but sadly it is too tight and the servos are too big. So they have a struggle with the power because of the resistance of the material itself. By the way, I also had an issue with the Atini, so I replaced it with an Arduino Nano, which because this makes me not very happy because it is my last Arduino Nano, but I just finally decided to use a sweep for this very simple animatronic, uh, but I need micro servos to for this project. So I'm not going further with this project. I will throw this into trash again where it belongs. Even though I think it has a very cool and stylish effect, so you can think what it should have been with the elbow and the other articulations there. So yeah, here we go. Basically, we're just on a sweep with a random speed as the sweep is alone itself. Uh, I should have had maybe uh, oh wow, I should have had maybe a delay, a random delay, but it seems it has one. And for this, I am the very not very happy. Yeah, you see, it just sweeps. With the small inertia, the effect is better, but I'm afraid, yeah, it is gonna fall in a moment. So all this is just done with one only servo, another Arduino Nano, and I will not share the code because it is so dumb. Or maybe if you want it, I can share, but it is always with the the random function. Oh yeah, it looks like it's making its way back to trash again. Yeah, so I guess I'm just leaving one servo inside.